Hello again. Right now I'm going to be making a mega Maleo bird. I finally got a mega task. So here it goes. Two, three. I'm going to wait a minute and see if anybody comes because I did place an announcement and I don't think anybody's coming. So there we go. Four. Yay. Woohoo. Aren't you cute? Look at you. You're going to go right on my display stand. Well, while we're here, I tend to not waste any time and I open all these boxes. Because one time I think twice now, I've gotten um, chameleons. So, no, not that. I don't want that. No, thank you very much. Come on, chameleon. Give it to me. Mama needs a new pair of shoes. Nope. Oh, that's a nice sword for Sherry, though. I'm going to have to keep that. I think I got a collection now. Anyway. All right, guys, have a great day.